name is Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be doing another ukulele tutorial and na-miss ko tong gawin kasi it's been a long time since the last time na nakapag-upload ako ng video kasi sobrang busy ko lang talaga sa buhay. But before anything else, shoutout muna tayo. Shoutout kay Jenelu Gomez, Joshua Alfred, Mathina Saludo, LG Nicole, Gabby Bernedo, Yuan Handumon, Juliana Ferrer, Nika Deng Evangelista, ZM Laurelia, and lastly, shout out kay Sachi Remolyo. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And if you want to be mentioned on my videos, so just drop your names on the comment section below. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to download the PDF file or the printable sheet na in-arrange ko for this tutorial. Ito yung itsura niya, guys. Ayan. So, andito yung chords, strumming pattern, and etc. So, ayun, yung link ay nasa description box below and this is available for free. And the next thing that you need to do is, of course, you need to tune your ukulele in the standard tuning. And the standard tuning for soprano and concert ukuleles is G, C, E, A, or G4, C4, E4, and A4. So, kung hindi niyo pa alam kung paano itono yung ukulele mo, may lalabas dyan na link up here. So, sana makatulong ito sa inyo. So, the third thing that you need to do is, of course, you need to be familiar of the chords that we're going to use for this tutorial. By the way, we need to learn 8 chords for this song. Huwag kayong mag-alala kasi etong 8 chords na to, sobrang easy lang. May isang medyo mahirap pero madalas naman natin itong ginagawa sa mga tutorial ko. Okay, so for the first chord, we have the chord of D minor. Ayan. So, index, middle, and fourth. Ayan yung D minor. The next chord is G minor. 1, 2, 3. Index, middle, and fourth finger. Ayan. And then the next chord is C7. So, it should look like this. First string dito, first fret. Ayan yung C7. Then we also have the chord of F. It should look like this. Ayan. Index, middle finger. That is F. And then the next chord is, ito yung medyo mahirap. This is B flat. So, you need to clip these 2 strings right here. Yung first string and second string. Ayan. Tapos, ilalagay din natin yung middle finger natin dito. And then yung fourth finger dito. Ayan yung B flat. Tapos, ididiin mo talaga siya dito. As in, you need to push it tightly para yung tunog niya is maayos. Ayan. And then the next chord that you need to learn is the chord of A7. Ayan. So, third string, first fret. Ito lang siya. And then we also have the chord of D7. So, may dalawang tik-tik tayo dito para sa D7. You may use it just like this. 1, 2, 3. And then yung pinky finger mo dito sa first string, third fret. Ayan, D7. Or you may click the entire second fret. Yan, i-clip mo dyan. And then, ilalagay mo yung middle finger mo dito sa same placement nung sa pinky finger kanina. First string, third fret. Ayan. So, same yung tunog niya. Ayan. Okay? So, depende na sa preference nyo kung ano yung mas madali para sa inyo. Ayan. So, that is D7. And lastly, we have the chord of C. Ayan. So, just this string. First string, third fret. Yung C7 kanina is andito sa first fret. Yung C is andito sa third fret. Ayan. So, again, D minor, G minor, C7, F, B flat, A7, D7, and C. So, for the first part of the song, which is the intro, yung chord lang natin is isa lang. And that is the chord of D minor. So, again, 1, 2, 3. Ayan. And then, yung strumming pattern natin is down, down, up, down, up. And then, for that part, pwede na siyang hindi nyo gawin or basta optional itong intro na to. Pwede ka nang dumiretso agad sa first verse or include mo itong intro. Okay? So, for the strumming, maging ganito siya. Down, down, up, down, up. Okay? Slowly. Down, down, up, down, up. Ayan. And then, we need to do that 4 times. 1, 2, so, ganun lang yung intro natin. Again, this is the chord of D minor. And then, yung strumming pattern natin is down, down, up, down, up. And then, just repeat it 4 times. So, you may play this part or you may skip it. So after the intro is of course the first verse of the song. So yung strumming pattern natin is down, down, up, down, up in each of the chord. Okay? So for the first line, we have D minor, G minor, C7, and F. Okay? So we need to sing along. Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Ayan. So, in each of the chord, we need to do the down, down, up, down, up. So, D minor, down, down, up, down, up. Tapos, transfer to G minor, down, down, up, down, up, C7, and then F. Ayan. Okay? So, that is for the first line of the verse 1. Then, the same thing for the second line. Same pa rin yung strumming pattern natin. Down, down, up, down, up. So, for the second line, we have B flat, G minor, A7, D minor, and D7. So, sa last two chords, we have D minor and D7. Medyo iba yung gagawin natin. Pero, the rest, for the first three chords, like yung B flat, G minor, and A7, yung down, down, up, down, up yung gagawin natin. Okay? So, medyo magulo siya, pero magiging ganito siya. So, again, B flat, position mo. Down, down, up, down, up. Tapos, move on to G minor. Down, down, up, down, up. And then, A7, down, down, up, down, up. And then, again, as I have said earlier, for the last two chords pala, by the way. Ayun. D minor and D7, yung strumming pattern natin ay magiging down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, medyo iba yung dito na part. So, again, D minor, down, up, down, up, down, up. So, sa up, down, up, dapat nandito ka na sa D7. Okay, so from D to D7. So, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so balik tayo sa second line. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. So, yan yung mangyayari sa D minor and D7. And then, after that part, balik na naman tayo. Same strumming pattern until the end of the first verse. Okay? So, G minor, down, down, up, down, up, C7, F. Let's try to sing from the top. 1, 2, 3, go. Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. For the next part of the song, which is the first chorus or the chorus 1, yung mga chords natin ay same lang talaga siya sa ginawa natin kanina sa verse 1. And then, yung strumming pattern natin is still the same, down, down, up, down, up in each of the chord. And also, yung part na D minor and D7 na part, yung down, down, up, down, up. May ganun pa rin siya na part sa second line ng first chorus. So, almost the same lang talaga yung pattern ng chorus 1 and then yung verse 1. Okay? So, let's try to sing the chorus 1, 2, 3, go. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. part of the song, which is the instrumental, hindi ko na babanggitin lahat ng chords kasi ang dami. And then yung mga chords na yun is the same lang din naman sa verse 1 and then sa chorus 1. And then yung strumming pattern natin is still the same, lalo na dun sa part na may magkatabi na D minor and D7, ganun pa rin. Down, up, down, up. And then for the last chord of the instrumental, which is A7, yung strumming pattern natin dun is the same with the D minor and D7 na magkatabi. So, di ba, yung last chord natin dyan is A7. Yung mangyayari dyan is down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? So, down, up, down, up, down, up. Instead na down, down, up, down, up. Okay? So, again, for the A7, down, up, down, up, down, up. So, same siya dun sa down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? So, let's try to do the instrumental. 1, 2, 3, go. Da, 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 da. Part of the song, we have the chorus 2. So, yung chords natin dyan are the same pa rin with the chorus 1 and the other parts of the song. And then the same thing, we need to do the strumming pattern all over again. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Lalo na dun sa part na D minor and D7, still the same thing. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Pero dito lang sa last 2 lines of the song, in other words, I love you. So, sa part na, I love you, we have 3 chords for that. In each of the word, iba-iba yung chords. I love you. So, yun lang yung gagawin niyo. Okay? Or, I love you. And then, for the last line, in other words, I love you. So, yun lang. So, let's try to sing the chorus too. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're interested to watch my latest ukulele cover or tutorials, you may click the video right here. And if you're interested to watch my latest vlogs, you may click the video right there. And I'll see you guys on my next video, and make sure to subscribe.